I recently saw a great tool to connect to multiple databases. It is DBeavor uh, uh, editor. So it supports around 70 plus databases. That's what they are claiming in their website. I saw that editor first time in Snowflake documentation. If you see here in the Snowflake documentation, they mentioned they have so many solutions to connect to their databases. Generally, I use SQL Workbench, but first time I saw DBeavor here. If you see, obviously, like for any database, if you want to connect to any database, we need a driver to connect to that. But DBeavor, it's automatically downloaded and installed by DBeavor itself to connect to the Snowflake. Let me show you how DBeavor it looks like and how to download the DBeavor. So you can go to the website dbeaver.io and from there downloads. So if you see there are two versions, one is community edition and second one is enterprise edition. In short they call CE and EE. C is for mainly for personal use and it is free and open source. Of course you can use it in your enterprises also. And this is enterprise edition, and the main difference between two of them is like in community editions you cannot connect to NoSQL databases, but in enterprise editions you can connect to NoSQL database also, as mentioned here: MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and Amazon DynamoDB, Google Bigtable. So you can connect to these NoSQL databases from enterprise edition. So the latest version at this moment is 7.1. You can download it using the installers or using directly software, but I preferred using it using Microsoft Store. If you click on this, it will redirect to Microsoft Store. Just click on get and it will open Microsoft Store. So I already installed it. Now the Microsoft Store is open in my OS. Just click on launch. So now it is opening. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So to connect to the new database, click on database, new database connection. Here you can see multiple databases, all databases. So you can connect to all these databases using this tool: PostgreSQL, Redshift, SQL Server, Teradata, and Oracle, all those databases. And now actually I am using this to connect to Snowflake. And if you see in the NoSQL part, there are no databases here. That means this is community edition, that's why it's not showing any databases here. I will show you look and feel also when you connect to the database. So I already configured this to connect to Snowflake. Yeah, it's already connected. You can see like this. If you right click on that, you'll get the options on the table. So it is fetching the data. So this, it looks good actually. Right click and you export the data also. Almost all the file formats, basic file formats, are already supported except XLS. I mean Excel sheets, because this is community edition, right? So it supports only in enterprise editions. So you can see the columns here. Yeah, I think it's pretty much about this tool. So basic things, and you can explore more on downloading this tool, and it's easy, and I feel like it's working pretty fast. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.